Yo, what's good, my good people? Today I'm back with another recipe. Kitty chocolate chip cookies on Sora. We're gonna take 1 cup of melted butter or soft butter and 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar, really like it's recommended, and 1 egg. Oh no, it's actually 2 eggs. Sorry about that. And then you're gonna mix the butter and the eggs together so that it could form like some kind of consistency. Then you add a vanilla extract or vanilla essence. Then you mix the mixture or and then you're gonna sift your flour into a separate bowl and your baking powder or baking soda. You can choose which one you want, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sorry about that. And then we're rocking, man. Gonna sift together. Make sure your dry ingredients are well combined. Then you're gonna add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients bit by bit as you are folding, so that you can get the consistency you need of the dough. And then you're gonna come up with this, man. It's just a fun thing to do. You can do it for tea time, tea breaks, just for a snack. You feel me? After uchela coffee na flour, uchela the chopped chips jahao. You can add 1 cup. You can add as much as you want. As long as you love chocolate, you can add as much. I didn't add too much because I was afraid it was going to be too much. And here I'm spraying my tray with clean spray so that the cookies don't stick on the pan. And more kiabopa the shape or the cookies chaka di beka ona. And then man, ganjalo, they are ready. Here they are done. Thank you for joining me. Follow me for more recipes and videos. Thank you for tuning in. Danko.